In this video, I'll show you how to link a Facebook page with a Facebook group so you can manage your community and page together. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page you manage. Once the page opens, scroll down a little and look for the Group section on the page. Tap on Link Your Group or Create Group depending on what options appear. If you already have a group, choose Link Your Group. Facebook will then show a list of groups you manage. Select the group you want to connect with your page. After selecting the group, review the details and tap Link or Confirm to connect the group to your page. Once the process is completed, the group will appear in the Group section of your page, and visitors will be able to easily join the community. You can also post in the group as the page if the settings allow it. This is a great way to build engagement between your page and group. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.